Let's be honest. Learning a new skill sounds hard, but the real problem is that most people learn in the slowest way possible. They binge tutorials, they watch courses for hours, and somehow they still feel stuck. But if you want to learn a skill fast, whether it's editing, copywriting, or anything else, there's a much smarter way to do it. And once you understand this system, you'll make progress way faster than you think. The first step is simple. Learn the 80-20. Every skill has a small set of basics that give you most of the results. For editing, it's cutting clips, adding music, simple transitions, text, and pacing. For copywriting, it's writing strong hooks, understanding pain points, keeping your message clear, following basic frameworks, and adding a call to action. You don't need the advanced stuff in the beginning. Master the essentials first, because they carry 80% of the skill. The second step is to learn by doing, not by watching. This is where most people slow themselves down. Watching tutorials doesn't make you good. Doing does. If you're learning editing, create a 30-second video today. If you're learning copywriting, write one hook or one short ad today. It doesn't matter if it's good. What matters is that your brain learns by solving problems, not by absorbing information. Next, use what I call the mini project method. Instead of random practice, give yourself a real project with a clear outcome. For editing, create a 1-minute video with cuts, music, and text. For copywriting, write a headline and one persuasive paragraph. Mini projects force you to apply everything at once, and that's where fast growth happens. Here's another powerful shortcut. Steal like a scientist. Don't copy, but study people who are already great at the skill. Break down their videos, their writing, their pacing, their word choices. Ask yourself, why does this work? Reverse engineering is the fastest way to understand the skill at a deep level. And the fifth step is daily micro-practice. You don't need long study sessions. 15 minutes a day beats 3 hours once a week because repetition builds intuition. Consistency is what makes learning feel natural instead of forced. Finally, get feedback early. Don't wait until you think you're good enough to share your work. Post your edits, show your writing, ask someone what you could improve. One piece of honest feedback can save you months of guessing. You don't need talent to learn fast. You don't need to be naturally creative. You just need the right system. Learn the basics. Practice hands-on. Do small projects. Study the best. Stay consistent and get feedback. If you follow this, you can learn editing, copywriting, or any skill way faster than you ever imagined. And if you want a full breakdown of exactly how I'd master these skills in 30 days, let me know in the comments.